ActiveCampaign or AWeber, two giants in email marketing. But which one really delivers? On the left, the automation powerhouse for modern marketers, ActiveCampaign. And on the right, the simple, reliable, and beginner-friendly AWeber. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's a quick mind map of what we're going to look at. Price, automation and CRM, usability, support, deliverability, templates and builder, integrations, and, of course, GDPR and compliance. So, yeah, we're covering all the bases. Ready? Let's talk price first. So, ActiveCampaign actually starts at just $9 a month for the Lite plan, which sounds nice, right? But honestly, the advanced stuff bumps up the costs pretty fast if you want all the bells and whistles. If you go full enterprise, it can hit $229 per month, which is quite a leap. Now, swing over to AWeber, and you've got their Lite plan at $19 a month, and their max tops out at $149, which is still kind of friendly for bigger lists. Oh, and here's something cool. They've got a forever free plan that's not just smoke and mirrors. The catch? Some automation features are missing at lower tiers, but still, it's a serious money saver. So yeah, price-wise, AWeber's taking this round. Onward to automation and CRM, which honestly is where ActiveCampaign flexes pretty hard. I mean, you get all the advanced automations. Triggers, branching, multi-step flows, the works. Plus, there's a full CRM built in, with segmentation and even predictive analytics. For newbie users, though, it can feel like, whoa, what am I doing? It's a lot. Jump over to AWeber, and things chill out. You get basic automation, the classic autoresponder tools, and it's solid for simple sequences, but there's no built-in CRM, and none of that deep, fancy logic. So, obviously, ActiveCampaign is the powerhouse here. Usability? All right, this is interesting. With ActiveCampaign, you do get a ton of tutorials and onboarding help, which is awesome. The interface is all modern vibes, but let's be real. When you start digging into their advanced stuff, you're gonna need a minute, or 3, to wrap your head around it. Now, AWeber is kinda legendary for being dead simple. There's this drag-and-drop email builder that even my grandma could rock, and the whole experience just feels effortless. Downside? Advanced pros might want more flexibility. For most folks, though, AWeber absolutely wins on usability. Hey, quick pause. Did you know AWeber has been doing its thing since 1998? That makes it one of the oldest email platforms still kicking in 2025. Kind of wild, right? Just a fun little nugget if you like a bit of internet history. Next up, support. Okay, this one's a bit of a game changer for some people. ActiveCampaign has a dedicated support team, email and chat help, but no phone support across every plan. So you're texting, not talking. Most times. AWeber? Oh man, they bring the big guns. 24/7 phone, email, and even live chat. You could be on their free plan and still get VIP level support. I wish more companies did this. Yeah, this round's all AWeber. Talking deliverability now, who actually gets your emails into inboxes, not just lost in spam land. ActiveCampaign works hard here, with authentication, bounce suppression, and even a dashboard to nerd out on stats. Only thing missing? Built-in list cleaning. AWeber isn't sleeping though. You get quality sign-up controls, IP rep tips, and there's access to a pretty hands-on deliverability team. No dashboard, but overall, both of these are stellar here. So I'm calling it a tie. Moving on to templates and builders. So ActiveCampaign, you get custom sign-up forms and powerful segmentations. But here's a bit of a letdown. They just don't have that huge library of pre-designed templates. If you want more variety out of the box, this could bug you. Now, AWeber, this is where they shine. Again, tons of responsive email templates, and the drag-and-drop builder is just so casual and easy. Like, no sweat at all. If you're an advanced designer, you might find it a bit limited, but for most users, it's a breeze. Again, AWeber's nailing this category. Okay, integrations. So, ActiveCampaign really pulls ahead here. A massive list of third-party integrations, plus APIs if you want to roll your own. Like, whatever you're using, chances are there's a hookup. AWeber's got a solid lineup for common apps, don't get me wrong, but it's not quite as extensive. If you want total flexibility, it's ActiveCampaign's win. Last on the list, GDPR and compliance. Good news if you're worried about this. Both ActiveCampaign and AWeber are fully on board with GDPR features. You won't have any nasty surprises no matter which one you pick. Honestly, it's a tie. so not much drama here. All right, zooming out to the radar chart, you can see how both ActiveCampaign and AWeber stack up on all fronts. There's some clear wins on usability, price, templates for AWeber, and then those heavy automation and integration features for ActiveCampaign. It's really all about what matters most to you. So if you want crazy smart automations and built-in CRM tools, ActiveCampaign is absolutely your go-to. But if you're starting out or just want something simple and reliable without a whole lot of fuss, AWeber is the clear winner in those spots. For small businesses or anyone who just wants email to be easy, yeah, I'm recommending AWeber. For serious marketers, ActiveCampaign still holds the crown. Did this help you out? Make sure to subscribe for more comparisons just like this. And if you want all the hottest tips on the best marketing tools in 2025, stick around. There's plenty more coming.